Since I was a child, I've always been addicted to video games.
My hobby is playing video games.
The first ever game I played was the Smurfs Village in the iPad I shared with my family. Then I got a Nintendo DS and started playing the first ever version of Super Mario Bros. But the Nintendo got boring pretty quickly, so I bought the Wii to keep playing the newer versions of Mario Bros. And other games like Mario Kart or Wii Sports. At that time, all my friends had the PlayStation 4, so I decided to buy it as well. I played a variety of games, going from GTA 5 to Call of Duty to FIFA, but the game I spent the most time playing was Fortnite. Fortnite was the only game where I could play with my classmates, and after so many years, I finally made friends in school. It was one of the best periods of my life, because for the first time I felt loved and respected by other people that weren't my parents, but I would soon realize that this period wouldn't last long. This is because my PS4 broke, so I could no longer play with my friends. Which made me pretty lonely, so I spent most of my time watching YouTube videos to fill that hole in my life. YouTube videos were the only way to temporarily escape my reality and to stop feeling lonely. But watching videos wasn't cutting it, so I bought a PC to start gaming again. I played Fortnite as well as other games like Valorant or League of Legends, and I even bought a steering wheel to play racing games. I was having a lot of fun playing video games, but suddenly this guy blowed up on the internet.
Breathe air!
So yeah, I now wanted to stop playing video games, but I couldn't because I was way too addicted. So I kept playing video games for a few months, but one day I stumbled upon a Udemy course about Python, so I decided to buy it and to give it a try. Thank God I bought the course, because after only watching the first video, I was already hooked in. This is when I realized that I wasn't addicted to video games. I was addicted to the feeling of leveling up, the feeling of reaching gold in League of Legends, the feeling of learning a new combo with Riven, the feeling of learning how to counter-strafe in Valorant. But this feeling I was addicted to could now be matched by programming. The feeling of learning a new programming language, a new concept, a new framework, a new API, or the feeling of finishing a project. Quitting video games was so easy that it happened effortlessly. I was now spending all my time programming because I loved it, and at the same time I felt productive. The lesson of this video is pretty simple. If you're addicted to something you wanna quit, you have to replace it with something else. And if you can relate to my past with video games, go ahead and give programming a try. It might change your life. See you on the next one. Good luck!